सर्वसामान्य पक्षकारांना न्यायालयीन कामकाजासंबंधी सर्व प्रकारच्या सुविधा एका छत्राखाली उपलब्ध होतात। या सर्व सुविधांचा लाभ पक्षकार व विधिज्ञ मंडळी यांनी अवश्य घ्यावा व या केंद्र उभारणी मागील उद्देश सफल करावा। हे आपले नवीन मध्यस्थी केंद्र। अशा पद्धतीने तयार करण्यात आलेले आहे जेणेकरून संपूर्ण मध्यस्थी प्रक्रिया ही सुलभरित्या पार पाडता येईल। तुम्ही पाहू शकता इथे मध्यस्थी प्रक्रियेसाठी 5 स्वतंत्र कक्ष उभारण्यात आलेले आहेत। विलग व एकत्रित मध्यस्थी सत्र यामधील गोपनीयतेची खात्री पक्षकारांना मिळेल। आता वकील मध्यस्थांना शांततापूर्ण व परिणामकारक पद्धतीने मध्यस्थी प्रक्रियेला राबविण्यासाठी हक्काची व समर्पित अशी जागा उपलब्ध झालेली आहे।
Relating now the video relating information of Kendra branch is being played. Branch at Kendra.
लघुवाद न्यायालयाच्या वांद्रे शाखेचे उद्घाटन शनिवार दिनांक 4 ऑगस्ट 1990 रोजी मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाचे माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश नामदार न्यायमूर्ती श्री चित्तोष मुखर्जी यांचे शुभ हस्ते झाले। या शाखेत एकूण 10 कोर्ट आहे, 8 ट्रायल कोर्ट आहे आणि 2 हे असे अपिलांचे बेंच आहे। एकूण इथं 12 न्यायाधीश आहे आणि न्यायाधीश आहे आणि टोटल कोर्टाचा जो स्टाफ आहे ते 187 लोकांचा आहे। सफरमध्ये राहणाऱ्या लिटिगंट यांचा त्रास कमी व्हावा, त्यांना वेळेवर आणि कमी खर्चात न्याय मिळावा यासाठी या उपशाखेची स्थापना करण्यात आली आणि वांद्रेपासून दहिसरपर्यंत याचा ज्युरिडिक्शन आहे।
Team and thank you Honorable M.N. Salim sir, Additional Chief Judge Small Causes 4/5 and Kendra and Honorable V.N. Thakur sir, Judge Small Causes of Mumbai, to have delivered back to speech for video of invention of Kendra and e-SEWA KENDRA mediation science effectively. May I now most humbly request Honorable Srimati Justice Anuja Prabhurai Madam to bless us and to bless the event with your honest, valuable words.
Good morning. Mr. Mahajan. Just give me a minute. I will just rectify. Can you hear me?
Yes, Honorable Ladyship, you are audible.
All right. Now there was a bit So Mr. Mahajan, Learned Chief Judge of the Small Causes Court, Additional Chief Judges, and the team of judges of the Small Causes Court. Mr. Mohan Pawar, the President of the Bar Association, the members of the Bar Association, learned advocates practicing in the Small Causes Court, the members of the registry, officials of PWD and other departments, the members of the staff of Small Causes Court, and all those who have joined us online for inauguration of e-SEWA Kendra at Small Causes Court, Mumbai. It is indeed my privilege to be a part of this inaugural function of e-SEWA Kendra at Small Causes Court, Mumbai. e-SEWA Kendra, as the name suggests, is service-oriented. It is established with an object of providing quick and easy access to the litigants and all the stakeholders in justice delivery system. The project of establishment of e-SEWA Kendra was conceived and conceptualized by the E-Committee of the Honorable Supreme Court with an aim and object of strengthening access to justice for all. Establishment e-SEWA Kendras at every High Court and District Courts and Taluka Courts, and today's inauguration of e-SEWA Kendra at the Small Causes Court, Mumbai, is the result of the vision of His Lordship Honorable Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Judge Supreme Court and Chairman of E-Committee. In setting up today's e-SEWA Kendra at the Small Causes Court, we acknowledge the guidance of His Lordship Honorable Shri Dipankar Datta, the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, relentless efforts of the Computer Committee headed by His Lordship Justice Nitin Jamdar and the supporting staff. Friends, the salient features of the e-SEWA Kendra are many, but one of the prime features is that it functions as the first line of control between the litigant and the judicial establishment. It helps the litigant to access relevant information through technology means. Full stop. It has become a habit to dictate a judgment, so you tend to. So it is a well-known fact that a large section of the society has no access to technology. They do not have laptops, they have no access to the internet, they do not have smartphones as many of us have. It is for this reason that the e-SEWA Kendras bridge this digital divide. It helps that section of the society which has no access to the internet, which finds it difficult to to buy smartphones or even to purchase a laptop or a computer. As stated by one of the speakers earlier and as shown, these e-SEWA Kendras are placed at a strategic point. At the entrance, the object is that all the litigants and the other stakeholders can access this without any difficulty, and all the facilities are available under one roof. We all know the difficulties that we had to face because of COVID-19 pandemic. It was unexpected, unwarned. We did not know how we would cope up with the situation. And at this stage, this perplexing situation, we e-Kendras and virtual hearing has really helped us to ensure that the doors of justice are not shut. And especially during this pandemic, e-Kendras would go a long way in ensuring that justice to even remote areas of the state is not declined. It will provide easy access without incurring much expense. But when we have these facilities and when whole range of services is available under one roof, it is necessary that we create an awareness of e-SEWA Kendra. It is necessary to change our mindset. Friends, many of you are born in this time when you are techno-savvy, but some of us were not so fortunate to have been born in this era where everything is on computer and digitization. We were used to old system of typing initially on typewriters. So it is difficult for many of us to adjust to this new system. But now there is need to change our mindset, to adapt to the advancement in technology and use the facilities made available through this e-SEWA Kendra. These SEWA Kendras certainly will help people, the litigants, the lawyers, and the other stakeholders in multiple ways. They need to know about these facilities which are available under the e-court program. And it is only then that we can say that this e-SEWA Kendra, which we have inaugurated today, has really achieved the object as conceptualized and as conceived by the E-Committee of the Honorable Supreme Court. I need not reiterate the services which are available, as many of you have already spoken about the same. As regards the mediation center, we all know that it is the first step to resolve any dispute. The advantages are many. Today we are burdened with large pendency for several reasons. We need not go into the reasons of the pendency. What we have to know is how we tackle the pendency, how we deal with the situation, and particularly when we are faced with this difficulty of virtually shutting down the court and moving to virtual mode. So in these circumstances, it is necessary to encourage mediation. There are advantages, as I said, are many. It is a cheap way of bringing an end to the litigation. It is expeditious. It is a way to bring about expeditious settlement between the parties. It puts an end to the bitterness between the parties. It helps them to rebuild their relationship. It is sort of a win-win situation for both. And this mediation center, which we have inaugurated today, I'm sure will help the parties to come together and resolve their dispute amicably. With this, I wish the learned Chief Judge and his team and all the other stakeholders all the best, and I conclude with the hope that the maximum use will be made of this e-SEWA Kendra as well as the mediation center. And all the best to you, and I have a very good day, and God bless. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Honorable Ladyship, for your blessings and valuable guidance. It was indeed motivating and extremely informative. leadership has broadly object of formation of e-SEWA KENDRA, silent feet of e-SEWA KENDRA. Honorable leadership has so explained the difficulties faced by school citizens who are within villages and small cities, and there was a need to form e-SEWA KENDRA. Her leadership is also explained how there is a need to change of our mindset. Her leadership is also explained the necessity of arrangement of mediation and the nicety and importance of mediation. Thank you so much, Honorable Leadership. आता कार्यक्रमाच्या शेवटी जाता जाता मी आपल्या छानशी कविता ऐकवणार आहे. आपली उत्सुकता टिकवून ठेवण्यासाठी मी कविता लेखकाचं नाव आत्ताच सांगणार नाही. ही कविता आजचा विषय ई-सेवा केंद्र किंवा मीडिएशन याच्यावर अवलंबून नाही, याच्यावर आधारित नाही, तर ही कविता पती पत्नी मधील सुंदर नात्यावर अवलंबून आहे. हे कसे असावे आणि ते निभावताना एकमेकांची साथ द्यायची याचे सुंदर वर्णन या कवितेत केले आहे. प्रत्येकाने कवितेच्या प्रेमात पडावे अशी ही कविता आहे. कवितेचे शीर्षक आहे वैवाहिक जीवन एक मित्रत्वाचे बंधन. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, निर्मळ निरागसतेचे, निखळ प्रेमाचे, पण बंध हे स्नेहाचे एकट्यानेच नसतात बांधायचे. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, मनसोक्त हसायचे, भरले डोळे पुसायचे, पण धागे हे मित्रत्वाचे एकट्यानेच नसतात विणायचे. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, मायेच्या ओलाव्याचे, भारावलेल्या भावनाचे, पण भाव या हळव्या मनाचे एकट्यानेच नसतात जपायचे. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, इंद्रधनुषी रंगाचे, फुलांच्या गंधाचे, पण रंग हे निसर्गाचे एकट्यानेच नसतात उधळायचे. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, स्वार्थाच्या पलीकडचे, निरंतर साथीचे, पण घरटे हे मैत्रीचे एकट्यानेच नसते बांधायचे. नाते हे मैत्रीचे, मनाने रुजवायचे, हृदयाच्या स्पंदनाने फुलवायचे. ऋणानुबंध हे जन्मांतरीचे असतात, दोन जीवांनी सजवायचे असतात, दोन जीवांनी सजवायचे. बघा, पडलाच ना कवितेच्या प्रेमात. आता तुम्हाला उत्सुकता असेल की ही कविता कोणी लिहिली आहे. तर एवढी ही सुंदर कविता आपल्या माननीय न्यायमूर्ती श्रीमती जस्टिस अनुजा प्रभू देसाई यांनी लिहिलेली आहे. माननीय न्यायमूर्ती, एवढं सुंदर साहित्य आम्हाला उपलब्ध करून दिल्याबद्दल आपले खूप खूप आभार. Now it is time to wind up our program. May I now request Honorable Srimati S.R. Gandhiyanur Madam to present. Thank you. Good morning all. Marcus Cho once said, gratitude is not only the greatest virtue, but the parent of all others. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Today we consider ourselves to be highly honored and privileged as we are blessed with the auspicious presence of our guardian, Honorable Srimati Justice Anuja Prabhu Desai Madam, Judge Bombay High Court. I express my deep sense of gratitude to Honorable Ladyship, who despite her busy schedule gave her precious time to grace this occasion. We are grateful to Honorable Ladyship for her valuable words of encouragement, inspiration and guidance. I also extend my gratitude to Head of the Family, Honorable Chief Judge Shri M.K. Mahajan Sir, who has unflinching support, guidance and encouragement for this function. My heartfelt thanks to respected Sri M. A. Kulkarni sir, Additional Chief Judge, and all esteemed judges of Small Causes Court, Mumbai, who have attended this function offline, online, and made this occasion more glorious. I owe special gratitude to Sri M. M. Salim, Additional Chief Judge, Bandra Branch, and Sri V. N. Thakur, Judge, Small Causes Court, Mumbai, for their creative work of preparing video clips on e-SEWA Kendra and Mediation Center in such short span of time. My heartfelt thanks to Sri Hitendra Vani sir, Secretary, District Services Authority, Mumbai, and Sri S. B. Hiwale sir, Secretary, District Services Authority, Mumbai Suburban. I want to express my sincere thanks to the President of Bar Association, Sri Mohan Pawan, and all learned advocates of Small Causes Court, Mumbai, for attending today's function and for making the same a resounding success. I express my sincere thanks to Sri Subhash Mane, Executive Engineer, PW, and all contractors for making happen e-SEWA Kendra and Mediation Center. And last but not the least, I extend my special thanks to the registrar, all additional registrars, court manager, computer section team, and all staff members who have put in a lot of effort and made the best arrangements for this function. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you. Thank you, madam. With the permission of Honorable Mahajan sir, I am declaring that program. With the permission of Honorable Lady Chief.
Mahajan sir, I am declaring that the program is over. Thank you all. Do take care of yourself.